सो हेलो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मिन्नोनो निहोंगो लेसन 19 की वोकैबलरी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नोबोरी मास. नोबोरी मास means to climb. For example, Yamani Noborimas means to climb a mountain. Tomarimas. Tomarimas means to stay. For example, Hoteru ni tomarimas means to stay at a hotel. Souji shimas. Souji shimas means to clean. For example, to clean a room. Sentaku shimas. Sentaku shimas means to wash. For example, to wash clothes. Renshu shimas. Renshu shimas means to practice. Narimas. Narimas means to become. For example, Suyoku naru tamini means to become stronger. It is one of my favorite dialogue from one of my favorite anime. Okay, so Suyoku naru tamini means to become stronger. Nemui. Nemui means sleepy. Suyoi. Suyoi means strong. Yowai. Yowai means weak. Choushi ga e. Choushi ga e means be in good condition. Choushi ga warui. Choushi ga warui means be in bad condition. Choushi. Choushi means condition. Gorufu. Gorufu means golf. Sumo. Sumo means sumo wrestling. Pachinko. Pachinko means pinball game. Ocha. Ocha means tea ceremony. He. He means day or date. Ichido. Ichido means once. Ichidomo. Ichidomo means not once or never, and it is used with negative. Dan dan. Dan dan means gradually. Mousugu. Mousugu means soon. Okage samade. Okage samade means thank you, and it is used when expressing gratitude for the help we received. Kanpai. Kanpai means bottoms up or cheers. Jitsuwa. Jitsuwa means actually or to tell the truth. Daito. Daito means diet. Nankai-mo. Nankai-mo means many times. Shikashi. Shikashi means but or however. Murina. Murina means excessive or impossible. Karada ni e. Karada ni e means good for one's health. Keiki. Keiki means cake. So this is it for the today's lesson, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the content, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you once again.